It's a pretty cold start to the day. I need some gas, and I probably should have brought a hoodie with me because it is a little bit cold today. But we're here for another Porsche and Pancakes meetup before the winter, sort of comes in. But it is a glorious, glorious morning here. Just check out that sunrise. I don't know if you can see it so well, but it is so nice. So really great start to the day, and let's go see some Porsches. So another day, another Auto Amateur video. Today is a special day. Not only do I get to hang out with my friends at Porsches and Pancakes and go for a bit of a drive after we eat our pancakes this morning, I've been invited to shoot a video for a group called Events with Cars. They're a national group. They promote car events for free around the country. You go to eventswithcars.com and you'll just see what they do. Really, really great bunch of guys. Great website and great, car content. So I'm going to Rogers, Minnesota later this morning after Pancakes and Drive to film a convertible vintage 1957 Chevy. We're going to drive it. We're going to get some drone footage. We're going to do a little bit of a review. We're going to talk to the owner. I'm going to sort of, try something new. I'll send the link out to that video once I have it. I've got to shoot it first, of course, and edit it. But I'm really excited, and I'm really, really flattered to be invited to do this for the guys at Cars with Events. So that's pretty exciting. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to do that. Plus, like a vintage Chevy. I mean, as a Brit here in the United States, and still feeling a little bit like a tourist, to shoot like an old school vintage American car, that's amazing. I mean, that must be like, I don't know, one of you Americans being asked to film the Queen's bedroom. I don't know. But you know what I mean. Anyway, let's go get our pancakes. Let's go see a few Porsches and go have some fun. All right, let's go. So that was it for our little Porsche and Pancakes meetup. It's always so much fun getting together with the guys. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't go for the group drive afterwards, so I just got to drool over some of the cars in the parking lot. Now I'm off to shoot the Events with Cars video, which I'm a little bit excited about and a little bit nervous about. I've never shot a video for anybody other than myself before, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to give you a little tiny taste of the content as I fade out today, and I'm going to publish this soon. So once the Events with Car guys are happy with it, and hopefully they're happy with it, and it goes live, you'll get to see the whole thing. But for now, here's a little taster, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.